Okay, for Sec 1 students, your first chapter on secondary level is prime number, highest common factor, and lowest common multiple. We already learned on the diagnostic assessment, but we will make it further. Okay, we will learn it deeper, more understanding, and it's more to be like to enhance your knowledge. Okay, first thing we learn about the prime. Who remember what is prime number? Anyone? What is prime number? Who remember? Wait, one student. Josephine. Sorry? Joycelyn ya? The number that cannot be multiplied? Divided, yeah, actually. So the number that cannot be divided by other number except one or itself. Okay, this is okay. So before we learn prime, we learn about the divisibility by two numbers. So the number that can be divided by two is always an even number. Okay, whole number, the total number starts from 0 until infinity, right? So look at the slides here, whole 0 to infinity, and it divided into two sections. First, even number. Second, odd numbers. Okay, even number is the number that can be divided by two. Bilangan genap in Indo. In English, even. The other way, the other categories is odd number. Odd numbers, the number that cannot be divided by two. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. So even number is called genap, right? This is ganjil, ya, bilangan ganjil. And we can classify further, not about even and odd, but prime, exactly two different factors, which is one and itself. And next, composite number, it can be divided by more than two numbers, or more than two factors, more than two different factors, and neither prime nor composite number. Okay, it means not both, bukan prime, bukan composite. What are those? 0 and 1. Why? 0 has infinite amount of factors. For example, 0 times 1. 0 times 2? How many factors do we have on 0? Infinite. So it is not composite. If composite, it's still countable, right? And then 0 has infinite factors. It means it is not a composite. It's neither not prime nor composite. How about 1? 1 times 1. How many factors do we have? One factor only. Okay. Prime is always two, specific, exactly two factors. Okay, so the number that neither nor prime composite were 0 and 1, are 0 and 1. The other can be classified as either prime or composite. Okay. Next, the practice. For example, if P and Q are whole numbers such that P times Q equals to 31, find the value of P plus Q. So first thing first, you need to understand that 31, is 31 a prime or composite number or neither nor? Can you guess? Later, 9, page 9. Or if you can focus here. Okay, is 31 prime or composite? Prime, because it cannot be divided by other number except one and itself. So the P supposed to be 1 and 31, right? So the question can be, we can switch the number 31 times 1 also. Okay, but just pick one. You can pick either way. You bisa ambil yang atas, bisa ambil yang bawah. I think you better pick the top side. Small times bigger number. So the P equals 1, the Q equals 31, right? And what are the values of P plus Q? What is the value of P plus Q? Guys, Very simple. 2. Are you sure? 32. Okay, thank you. I misheard. Sorry, salah dengar. 32. So that's your answer. Simple, right? Siapa yang masih nggak bisa? Let me know. Anyone still confused? I'll explain it to you one more time. None? Okay, nice. So we continue here. This is the explanation. Since 31 is a prime number, then 1 and 31 are only two factors. So it doesn't matter P or Q 1 or 31. Siapa yang 31, siapa yang 1 terserah. Tapi yang pasti 1 and 31, right? And then the addition will be 32. Now, this all is the list of the prime number that is in yellow highlight. If you can see, the only even prime number is 2, right? Lainnya ada nggak even number yang prime? Already divisible by 2, except 2 itself, right? 2 by 1. Yes, that's it. Okay, so do you have to memorize this? No. So no need to memorize. What you do is only look at the lessons, the numbers here. Okay, let's do our book. Okay, so where is it? Oh, there you go. So what you need to do, open page, what page I forgot? The police and thief thing. Can you just look at the page? There you go, here. So I give you some time. You coba cari ya bukunya di halaman berapa. Di sini halamannya agak random ya, dia salah nih. Okay. Tuh 006, I don't know. So focus here. The practice now is also might be different. It can be practice now too. Jadi kita lihat soalnya aja. Okay, I will give you about 5 minutes to do this and let me know whenever you are done. Okay. By the way, how do you check whether a number is a prime or composite? You need to do your own calculation. It's not a simple way. It's very hard if you want to use your manual way. So we take the help of calculators. Then we can do easy or simple division. Okay. Here. Let's check for number 1 first before we do the police and burglar. For warming up, pemanasan dulu sebelum kejar malingnya. You got it? Okay, nice. Let's see. Are 537 prime or composite number? Okay, let's check the number first. So we need to put here 500. What is it? 37 and 59, yeah. 537 and 59. So the number that can be divided by the other number called composite. That can be divided by the other number. Jadi kalau banyak berarti composite. Oke, tulis dulu 1 times 537. Ini udah pasti, ya. Sure thing. And then let's try. 537 can we divide it by 2? Of course no, because it is an odd number. Coba bagi 3. Oh, bisa langsung. Oke, langsung ada jawabannya. So 3 times 179. And you don't have to do other. Okay, why? Because it is surely a composite number. Get the idea? You mau lanjut bisa nggak? Bisa. You bagi 7 coba. Nggak bisa ya. 537 divided by 9. Cannot. By 11. By 13. Oh, ternyata nggak bisa. By 16. Ya pokoknya udah lebih dari 2 ya. More than 2. So 537 is composite or prime, guys? Hello? Composite. 1, 3, 179, and 537. More than 2 factors. Right? Bisa dibagi yang lain, berarti dia composite. Jangan sampai terbalik ya guys. This is a composite number. 59. Yang pasti 1 times 59. Why prime? How sure you are? Try. Coba ya bagi 3. Nggak bisa ya. By 7, cannot. By 11, cannot. By 13, also cannot. So enough, sampai sini cukup. So it is called prime. Why? Because only 2. Okay. So don't get switch between composite and prime. Prime means one and itself, composite one and others, so many. Okay. So for number 2, let's check the easiest way. You kan mintanya yang mana? Yang prime doang ya. Police cuma bisa lewatin prime number, cannot be on the other number. My strategy is to cross all the not prime number. Yang pasti 1 nggak bisa lewat, right? Benar nggak? 1 is not prime nor composite, right? It has to be prime. 0, 100, very simple, right? What else? 49. So epic random. Why 49 is not a prime? Can be divided by 7. Can be divided by the other number. Okay, what else? 105 yang belakangnya 5 can be divided by 5, right? Cross out. What else? 121 can be divided by 11. Okay, you have to do it fast and just do it not too fast but pacing. 33 is a 33 prime number? Is 33 prime number? No. Why? Yeah, that's right. Can be divided by 3. 32 even. Even pasti bukan, kecuali 2. What else? Ada yang lagi? Ya, 150 ya. 111. Why 111? 3. You can divide 111 by 3. 27 ya. Tadi you bilang ya 27. 111 kita coba, nggak yakin ya. I'm not sure about 111. We try. By 3. 57. Bisa ya. So wait, one by one. 111. 192. Oh yeah, even number. What else? 29. 29 apa? 29. Even ya. Prime. So shade. Green light. Yes? Why 93? Okay, that's right. So cross. Gitu caranya ya, guys. Jadi gampang-gampang. Okay, so jadi stepnya polisi udah mulai kelihatan. It is a bit easy to do now. 17 pasti, 103 udah pasti, ya. And then 231 or 43, dia lewat yang prime yang mana? Kita coba satu-satu. 43. 43 can be divided by 3, cannot. Divide by 7 cannot. So itu pasti dia even. Apa prime? 7 pasti, yes? 71 kenapa? 71. Prime, oke. Write down. 127 pasti prime. 51 enggak. Why? 51 can be divided by 3. You can use your calculator. So bisa ya jadi 17. So the 51 is not a prime number. Langsung ketahuan guys. Jadi kita nggak usah nyari satu-satu. Try to think simple. 37, 53, 149, 61, 89, 5, 131, right? Kira-kira 11 or 57? 11. Dan sampai. Okay, you can shade or circle. 57 enggak ya? Sorry? Yeah, you can divide by 11. 236 also no, because it's even. The other is, oke, udah sampai, udah nggak usah dipikirin yang lain. 231 kita cek deh ya. 231 you divide by 3. Bisa. So, it is a composite number. Okay, the other will be crossed out. Because the police reached the thief already. Okay, so that's how you do the game of composite and prime number. Okay, just play the game like playing games, right? It's quite simple. Okay, ada yang mau nanya? Any questions? Especially Livia, Leonard, how's it? No question? All good? Okay, so let's continue. Okay, let's do the practice now here on the next page. Ini udah sama ya guys, yang number 1. If P and Q are whole number, we already did just now. So let's go to number 2. If n is a whole number, such that n times n plus 28 is a prime number. So n times n plus 28 is a prime number. What does it mean? Artinya apa kalau prime? You cannot divide by anything except one in itself. So we can make sure that what is n? Pasti one dong, ya nggak? Karena dia prime number dikasih tahu, it's given. So 1 plus 28 is 29. So the number it is 29. Very simple. Okay, you can just write it. Ini masih gampang guys. Nanti ada yang lebih a bit complicated. Okay, the thing that is a bit complicated is how you do the prime factorization. Okay. Dan continue. So we are doing the index notation. Okay. What is index notation? The power notation. So everyone please pay attention. It might be new for you. Index or power notation. Notation. Okay, what is this? The power formula. For example, I have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. How can we simplify the writing? 5 with the index of 4. Ya, ada 4 5-nya. Okay. How about 3 times 3? 3 power 2. Pangkat ya in Indo. Okay. One more. Okay, one student, girls. Girls. Okay, thank you, girls. 7 power 7. I asked girls, not boys. Okay. We have 7 of 7s. So don't get confused by the amount. For the top side is the amount of multiplication. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. The number has 4. Okay. And 3 times 3, the number has 2. Okay. Wrong. 5 times 4 is not 5 to the power of 4. Okay. Now Harvest turn is enough for today. Okay. You have to ask the question by raising up your hand. Biasain, get used to it. Now you don't have any more chance to ask after one period. The next period you boleh nanya lagi, ya. Because you talk too much and I cannot focus. Oke, okay. Siapa yang nggak ngerti index power notation? Ada? Semua ngerti ya? Let me know whenever you have any problems. Raise your hand, ask me. Ya, Jacob. Yeah, sure. We have extra questions. Okay. Now, what to do with this? Actually, we are doing the prime factorization. I think I don't have to follow the PowerPoint because the PowerPoint is already simple. There you go. See, how do you read 2 to the power of 1 to itself? 2 to the power of 2 means 2 squared. 2 to the 4th also 2 to the power of 4 sama aja ya. 2 power 4, 2 power 5, and so on. Okay, look at the number here. And this is still on the basis of 2. Baru 2, belum yang 3, belum yang 4, belum yang lain-lain. Okay. This also index or power or exponent. It's the same. Namanya sama ya, ganti nama index, power, exponent. I use power. Try to use power. Lebih enak ya. Power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5. Okay, this is the base number. Angka basisnya. Okay. Now, do the prime factorization of 126. Let me show you how to do the prime factorization of 126 in an easier way. Okay, 126. I give you some, what do you call it? Some questions to do. 126. 300, and then 54. What else? 500. Now your turn is to do the prime factorization. I give you one example, 126. Let's see. What number can be divided by 126? 2 and what? 3? 63. Why 6? Man, what are you doing? 126, 2 kali berapa gitu aja. Ya. Oke. And then the 2 you circle because you cannot do further. 63 bisa dibikin 3-nya lagi berapa? Berapa guys? 9 and 7 boleh. Yang masih bisa dilanjutin yang mana? 9. 7-nya bisa nggak? Cannot. Circle. 3 times 3. Are we done? Yes. So that is the fruit. Buahnya ya, kan ada 3 ya. Ada 3, there is a 3, there is the fruit. The fruit is 2, 3, 3, 7. So 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. Okay. So what else? What can we do next? I don't want to hear from you, Hafiz. You still break the rule. It's even not 1 period yet. Jacob. So we are doing the prime factorization. Oh, we are not done from this. Hafiz just said the right thing, but again, he break the rule. So I want to give you some chance to solve what is 2 times 3 times 3 times 7 in a simple way. Any answer? What? How come? No, gini aja. Yeah, 126, but this is 2 times 3 power 2, right? Diginiin aja. Ya, simple ya. Tadi Hafiz udah bener loh, sayang aja dia. So this will be your answer. That's it. Okay, this is called the prime factorization. So I will read the title here. Gak muat. Wait. Prime factor. So 126 is actually 2 times 3 square times 7. Wait, nggak muat. 2 times 3 square times 7. This is your answer, and it is the final answer. Okay. Sorry? Because we are doing the prime factorization. Prime, we are extracting the prime number. Kita keluarin prime. Ini prime semua kan? Lihat nggak? 2. It's 2 prime? Yes. 3, 3, 7. Everything is prime. Okay. Ayo, keep awake. By keeping you awake, I want to give you the questions here. Now, do it on your own pace. Jangan cepat-cepat, jangan lama-lama. Yang penting yakin. Okay, I will try to do so you can have a flexible way on doing this. Some of you might think that the simple way is 2 and 150, right? But in my opinion, it's not necessary 2 and 150. Can I write 3 and 100? Circle, because 3 cannot be done further. Can I put 100? Kalau yang kepikir berapa? Kalau kesusahan. Maunya 10 and 10. Boleh nggak? Tapi 10 belum selesai. You have to go further. 2 selesai, 2 times 5 selesai. It will produce the same answer, guys. So we have 2 2's, 2 square, times 3, times 5 square, right? 5 power 2. Okay, it's the same, sama aja ya. Jadi caranya so many ways, and you can do what you like. This will be the answer. Yes. Quite simple, right? Quite fun. What is 54? Depend. You can do it flexible. 6 and 9 also can. 2, 3. Start from the smaller number. That's it. Okay. So what to do on this question to enhance your ability on calculation? I do this without calculation, without calculator. I mean. So buat latihan aja. 500 I kepikir bukan 2 and 250. Iya, 5 and 100 udah paling enak, right? Yes. Wrong. It's not wrong. It's misarranged. You do the arrangement. Yeah. That's it. Okay, I hope everyone clear on this topic. Yes. Yeah, the smaller base yang lebih kecil tuh. Ini tuh dulu yang diambil nih. Tuh yang diambil dulu ya. Oke. Okay. Still, two first. The basis yang dilihat basisnya. Ininya nih, siapa duluan yang lebih kecil. Oke. Okay. So this is the prime factorization. Let's try to do the book example. Okay, I don't think we need to use the method too. This method is, in my opinion, it's harder to be understood. Okay, mendingan yuk pakai tree aja yang sebelah kiri ya, and the right side, on the right side, that is better. Okay, next. Let's do number 2. Express 539 as a product of a prime factor. 539 seems hard, right? It's quite hard to find the number. But again, you can just write 539, make a factor 3. 2 bisa nggak? Tuh, nggak bisa ya. You need to use your calculator to help you solve the problem. Divide by 3, cannot. Yes. 7, that's right. Bisa. Yeah. Right? And 7, can you go further? What times what? Yes. Are we done for 11? Yes. So you can just write the power of 1, but again, no need. Kalau power 1 nggak usah ditulis ya. Power 1, just let it be. Let the number be the number itself without 1. Wasting time and wasting energy. And you have to look at the small number, no need. So this is called prime factorization. Okay. That's it. Now I give you some exercise, some numbers. You can use either way. You can use the short way or the flexible way. So express these numbers to a prime factor form. They have no page. This is the question that I made by myself. Yes. Okay, 10 numbers. If you don't have enough space, you can do on your notebook or in a piece of paper. Try to use or to convert these numbers into a prime factor from the multiplication form just now we learned. Okay, we learned just now.